here at a vacant motel in Sweetwater, Tennessee. Got a treat for you today. That right there is a vintage ptac unit. Vintage hotel air conditioner. As you can see from the side there's one of them flower-like condenser fans. OGE unit. And the motel across Parkway there used to have a whole bunch of them GE units with the flower-like condenser fan blades until they transferred to all them new units. Hotel used to be full of them until they were all changed out. There's y'all another one, same unit, but I'm just showing you a different one. Figure I better hurry up and go ahead and film these before they're all removed and replaced out, before the building is torn down or what have you. But I figure I better video them today before they're all gone.